Attention builders and contractors. Complete your site work faster, with power and precision. Introducing heavy-duty construction machines from Shri Construction Equipment. Presenting the Indian bar bending machine. Model GS45. Powered by a 5 HP motor running on 415 volts. With a top gear planetary system made in India. It bends steel rods from 6 mm to 36 mm. At a speed of 5 to 10 rods. Accurate. Reliable. Built for performance. Now presenting the Indian bar cutting machine. Model TQ42. Built for powerful and precise cutting operations. Equipped with a 5 HP motor. 415 volts and 2900 RPM speed. It cuts rods from 6 mm to 32 mm. At 59 strokes. Fast cutting. Smooth operation. Maximum efficiency. Both machines come with a 1-year warranty. All spare parts available, and a free installation demo. Upgrade your construction site today. For more information, call or WhatsApp us on same number. We are happy to assist you. Thank you.